Okay, so this is a quick screencast on the presentation feature of Google. So it is somewhat like a PowerPoint presentation. I think the biggest thing to remember is this is how you share. And this link, it can go to anyone, and it does allow editing. Since I'm the owner, I can change it however I want. If you create any Google documents, whether it's, like an Excel or a Word document or a PowerPoint, you can change that. So I can say that I want it to go public on anyone, or I could say as long as they have the link, they can access it, but they can't, someone can't Google this link and find it. They would need to have that specific link. Or I can keep it totally private. I can change this that people can just comment or view, or so on. Um, so how I have it set up right now is anyone with the link can edit. Um, so if this link goes to Dr. Abernathy or any of the IAs, the same link that I sent to you guys, another way to do it would be to put in, like, for example, if I wanted to say Dominique can edit and I hit save, this is going to go to her as an email. I can send a copy to myself too, if I want. Or I can just do it from here. So I can just Gmail her, like Dr. Abernathy, I can just send it like this and say, here is my link. Or here's, our class link. So then, okay, so there's a matter of, she said we have to keep everything, um, you know, together. So this is something that I put in, like after our first meeting, so 618. So what I did is I actually inserted a comment. So I went to insert, comment, and then you can just type in whatever and hit comment, and then it's there. So that is the comment. So you can use that feature however you want. If I click on it, then I can delete it. I'm going to delete that one because whatever. But we really shouldn't be deleting things. We should just be adding things. So if you don't like the comment feature, then you can, just put, the date here, like 618. And of course yellow is my color, so they would automatically know that it was me. Um, so because we're doing something different here, I'm going to put, you know, yeah. Anyway, there was one other thing I wanted to show you. So you can make a copy. You can see the revision history. If you click on this, it tells you who did what and when. Um, there it is. So today it says that, I've made all of these changes. Um, it does say anonymous for these things because you guys aren't logging in as yourself. But like if I wanted to revert all the way back to this day, I could hit restore this version. I'm not going to right now, but you would see, what happened then. And so if something happens, it's weird, we can always restore a previous version, if anything weird happens. Okay, so you can also download as a Microsoft PowerPoint or PDF, and you can save it to your computer. Then also too, like emailing. Let's say you do a really important update. Um, so for example, like here's my script. So Mary Lou and I are going to be working on this together, is my understanding. So let's say I do a really important update. And so I just want to email her real quick and make sure it's in her email box because, whatever. So I can say email the collaborators, and it already has it here right now. And I can say um, just fix, the first few lines or whatever. And then I can send a copy to myself. Um, Instead of being an attachment, it can be in the body of the email, and then I can hit send. So that way she gets an email that way too, if she'd like. So you guys can do that to individual people. You can leave comments, leave notifications. What else? So when you insert, you can insert images, links, drawings, tables. That's for the documents. For the presentations, it's a little bit more limited. You can do text, images, but you can do videos and word art. So that's what I was thinking for this week. in particular, the presentation would be good in case anyone already had a video to put in. And of course, you can put in new slides or import slides that maybe you created on your own computer, PowerPoint or something, and you want to import those. You can do that as well. To change different things, like there's also image, text box shape, comments here, background, layout. So if you click on the little arrow, it tells you what kind of layout. So if you want just a title only or a caption, or you just want a blank slide. Transitions, I don't think the transitions are very important for the purpose here, but you can also insert this way. So I think those are some of the main things here. Okay, so the share button, you can see here it says anyone with the link. So if your IA says, hey, I need the link again, you just, you can give them the link and the IA can go in and look. And anyway, okay, well, thanks. If you have any questions, email me, Stephanie, and yeah, okay.